Welcome to the iTeach iteachitech how-to video series. My name is Donna Schneider. This video is going to explore free math resources that can help your child reach their potential. Here's what you'll learn: free resources that can help your child navigate the math curriculum. You see sites that will allow for reteaching or further practice, sites that can provide tools such as online calculators, and also some interactive sites that reinforce or challenge your child. The first resource, although in the math resources video, also provides support in other academic areas. As you can see, free PowerPoint provides material for various math concepts, science, social studies, any kind of concept that you could think that students may be learning, even bullying and safety. When you go into the math concepts, we click on math, presentations for kids to use, such as counting, skip counting, distance, rate, mean, median, mode, all those things that could cause a struggling math student to be frustrated. Math is a language of its own, and sometimes students need opportunities to practice, to relearn something, or to look at it in a different way. This free PowerPoint site is great for this. The next site, Math Train TV, kids teaching various math concepts and skills. Sometimes having another perspective, another voice, or another way of a concept being presented to you can help your child better understand a particular concept that may be causing them difficulty. You can see here students created different videos on different topics. For example, here's multiplication.
Multiplication by Kirsten and Solomon. Here is the multiplication problem. Rosa placed 20 pencils in groups of 4.
So you get the idea. This is your child can also create a video presentation in order to help teach a concept. And if you look up here, there's also teacher-created lessons, so captioned lessons for those who are hearing impaired. Math TV is a similar concept to Math Train TV. Here you have adults or students teaching a concept or a skill. There's usually 3 or 4 videos of the same topic taught by different people. You can search videos by topics, which can help you find exactly what your child needs. You can see here that in the area of basic mathematics, if we did whole numbers and place value, we'll see 4 different people teach how to give the place value of each digit in 305,964. You can also see that there is a Spanish version for those students who may be ELL learners. A site that provides interactive math activities for materials in grades kindergarten through 8th grade. This is a great place to practice those areas that are difficult for your child or to challenge your child to move forward. You can see we have first grade, and we have geometry and multiplication, and we have a whole bunch of different activities that your child can do and that are free and you can access at home. And you can also see that there's logic games, word problems, and math videos. Online calculators. This is a free Online calculator, basic, there you go. You can make it bigger if your child needs a bigger calculator, or you can zoom back in for a smaller calculator. eCalc also provides some various calculators. There's basic calculators, scientific, and also some conversion tools. There's also some great conversion tools. You can see here all the different online calculators that you have access to that are free. Some of these calculators are very expensive, so this is a great way to have them and to have them always with you. Child can't say, forgot the calculator in my locker, forgot the calculator in my desk. I don't know where the calculator is. Here it is, right here for them. At Calculate for Free, the next site, you again find a calculator, and this is just another calculator site. But you can also use a mortgage calculator, a T183 calculator, the T184. So there's other calculators here that you can also access. Next site, WebMath. It's a great online tool that helps students solve problems from general math to calculus. And here you go, grades K-8, you get math for everyone, general math, algebra, plots and geometry, trigonometry, and you can, here you go, you can choose whatever topic your child needs some additional assistance with or that they want to learn more about. These are also free lessons. And there's also some family activities to get everyone involved. Number Navigator is a pretty cool resource. It's a program only for Windows, but it assists students with fine motor problems in setting up column arithmetic without using a spreadsheet, which sometimes can get cumbersome because functions and sums and all those things come into play. This helps to structure it, and they can use a keyboard, they can use a switch, they can use a button bar, they can use whatever they need to use to access this particular program to help them use it to complete column math. The next resource we're going to talk about is KidsZone. KidsZone provides games, quizzes, and skill building in math. Students can learn and explore about graphs, comparisons, and probability. There's also a grab bag of math-related quizzes and teasers. See up here, they can learn about graphing, they can create graphs, practice creating graphs. They can also look at comparisons, and they could do probability. This grab bag has some math quizzes, math teasers, and some other activities surrounding math. Next, we're going to look at the National Library of Virtual Manipulatives. This is a free site that provides visuals and virtual manipulatives to assist your child in understanding various math concepts. It's broken down into grade levels as well as content area. You do need to have Java installed to use this. When you click on a content area, you see it broken down by grade level. Thumbnail, which is a picture of the manipulative and a short description of what this particular manipulative will help your child understand. Math Dictionary. A math dictionary for kids is a really great animated, interactive math dictionary. It has over 600 common terms and words that are defined with a visual representation, and then most do have an interactive activity for your child to practice that term. For example, if I go to area, it gives us the example, and then we can do smaller units. We could talk about standard units, and it talks a little bit more about standard units. We could talk about calculators. We can go back, and we can, over here, we can do a little bit of practice in counting area and understanding what area is. Math Resource for Parents at math.com provides practice, calculators, tools, games, and other resources. There's also a section about wonders of math dealing with fractals, tessellations, mazes, and other cool topics. Practice, if you want to go into the practice area, is broken down into topics. You can see that they have calculators and tools. There's also games from various countries that deal with math. When we go back to the home page, you can see Wonders of Math. We can talk about fractals and tessellations and some other really cool things that are sometimes difficult to understand, but provide a great visual for your child. The last resource we're going to talk about is Who2Math. Who2Math is a site that has games, tutorials, worksheets, and movies about math. You go to movies about math, you see about panda fractions, base 10 heights, I hate calculators, just some fun ways to learn about math. In the game section, you have about physics and puzzles and logic, geometry and building. So it's a great resource that you can explore with your child to not only help them better understand the math concepts that they are having difficulty with, but to also explore the wonder of math and the language of math, since it's such an exciting area. This is no way an exhaustive list of free math resources for your child. This hopefully will assist you in providing resources that meet your child's needs and gives you some ideas on what types of things you can search for. Thanks for watching I Teach iteachitech, free math resources that can help your child reach their potential.